Hey girls and guys, what's up? Usually I say hey guys, but you know, I'm thinking I was wrong, right? Girls and guys. So what's up? What's up, fellas? What's going on? So today video I want to talk about crypto in deep. Okay, I will be doing some analysis. We will go through bunch of charts. You know, I found very nice look into Bitcoin charts, and let's see now on a timeline where we are with Bitcoin. Is it good time to invest? You know, is it crypto, you know, falling down? You know, it's very interesting video, guys. Stay tuned. I'm telling you, I promise you, you will be happy with this video. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, you know, last time we talked, right, and this is what I said, that basically this is a trend. And you know, there are dips down, dips up. You know, as more I look on this trend, but it's weekly. I always look weekly, guys. I am not a speculator. I am investor, okay? And I suggest you too. And just a couple of words about myself, guys. You know, for all new users, you know, who see my channel first time. Also for subscriber. I am like I started with crypto in 2016. Yes, 2016-17. So how long it's already? 16. Yeah, it is 6 years. It will be 6 years. You know, I am with this crypto. So in my journey, I saw crypto 5x down from my investment. Right in 2018, it was very deep. You know, was going to 3,000. I saw crypto 5x more. In my investment, right, when we reach all these dips, because yeah, I literally was buying Bitcoin around 10,000, you understand? So, and all this, you know, let's say Litecoin, I was buying like 35, Zcash 35, you know, all these levels, right? So yeah, I saw dips, I saw, you know, I saw uptrends, you know, everything I have in my life, okay? So nothing can scare me. This is why you need to listen to smart people. And I am also in my 50 plus, okay? I'm not young chicken, you know, which is telling bullshit. Oh, invest into Solana, you know, BNB and all other garbages. Why? Because I know they crap, you know, they come from nowhere and they will go to nowhere, okay? Like this Terra, you know, Terra Una and all this piece of garbage, you know? The only crypto, guys, is proof of work, I'm telling you. The only real crypto, okay? If you don't trust, just go to, you know, BitPay and see what they are taking as a crypto, and you'll see, you know, what I taking as a payment, you know. So okay, some tea. So what I am thinking, you see, guys, like one more time I want to do the bar patterns. You see, I think we are somewhere here, okay? Why I'm thinking that we are somewhere here? Because you see, it's very similar what happened. You see, we are doing dips, okay? You see what happened here when we had dip here. You see, it went up one time, then went up second time, and then dip. You see, the same here. We went up one time, then we went up second time, and then we have dip. You know, probably we will see something like this, okay? And look, you know, it's telling me that $100,000 for Bitcoin is imminent. You know, it will happen, guys. It is coming. And for me, as a long-term, you know, short, middle to long-term investor, I don't care. I don't care when. I know maybe this year, maybe in 1-2 years, but we'll find out now, okay? So this is where I am, okay? And then I told you, right, about all other coins, you know, where I'm buying, okay? You see Bitcoin Cash. It's coming to my levels around $100, what I told you. You see, it kind of recapped, but I still think we have a long way to go. I still think we'll see Bitcoin Cash, you know, in these levels. You know, between 60 and 80 bucks, okay? Something is telling me. And the same for Litecoin, okay? Again, this is what I'm buying, okay? We'll talk about why, okay? So, it's coming, I believe, around 30 bucks, you know, it's a good entry point for Litecoin. Even today is a good entry for Litecoin, because most of his time he was here, right? Not here. But, you know, I like to buy on dips, you know. I never catch a bottom, guys. And I tell you, don't try to catch the bottom. But, you know, buying close to dips, you know, to bottom is very nice, always. Zcash, you see, we are coming to this level between 45 and 55. 45, 55. This is where I see, you know, entry point. And for Dash, we are already touching, okay? I believe Dash will break, you know, last year low. This was last year low, or yeah, 2 years low. I think it will break, you know, because Dash is weak, okay? It doesn't tell me that, you know, it will be weak in future, but today Dash is more weak than any other coins, okay? Why? There is a reason for this. Okay, so let's start from chart. Let's see, you know, long term, you know, Silver Game of Thrones guru, what, you know, he is thinking, and, you know, how it will play in future. So we can see here the halving, okay? So guys, Bitcoin has halving. Every 1, 2, 3.5 years, Bitcoin has halving. So, you know, first halving was 50 to 25, then 25 to 12.5, then 12.5 to 625. So we are 625 Bitcoin is in one node, okay? One node, 625 Bitcoin. So probably in 1 month, in around 29,000 Bitcoins mined, okay? Pure mathematics, guys. That's why I know that, you know, when to buy. It's pure mathematics, and I like mathematics. I am software engineer. I like mathematics. I know mathematics cannot lie. Cannot lie. Simple. So next halving will be 325, guys. 3115, something like this. 3115. So around 3 Bitcoin will be after next halving, right? So it's just really, it's, you know, for 8 billion, 7 billion people, it will no Bitcoin to buy. It will be monthly mining will be 14.5 thousand. 14,000 Bitcoin in entire month. Can you believe in this, guys? It just, with all this, you know, bunch of printed, you know, dollars, it will be very, very low. And it is built into code, right? So what else we can learn here, right? So see, you know, if you look on this, I think we are more close to this bull market 2013 because we have 2 tops here. It's only the difference here, and 2017 was 1 top. So they try, it's all manipulated, guys, trust me, it's all manipulated. It's like silver and gold. There is someone, you know, big buyers who try to manipulate this. You know, they try to manipulate it between. They cannot manipulate with you know, with this, you know, halving. You know, they cannot manipulate that Bitcoin will be printed, you know, like with no limit. This is not possible physically. But inside all this, you know, cycles, they can manipulate because they own the most of it. Okay, so you see 2 tops here, right? And here we have also 2 tops. It's only difference. It was one top was higher than second top. I think it was very close. But this is an index run, okay? This is like what is the power of Bitcoin, you know? People were buying the index run. It's a little bit different than Bitcoin price. So Bitcoin price is this one. You see, this is Bitcoin price, and this is a bull index run. So you see, this is what very strong. You see, even it was not like it the previous year. It was much weaker. And now we are on these levels, you see? So what is telling me? We are not yet in full capitulation. And capitulation is only started. So I personally see Bitcoin in, listen now what I say, in ranges between $15,000 and $25,000. Okay? This is the range. Now, is it the bottom? I do not care. This is what, you know, the main, you know, idea of this video. I need to tell you, you should not care where is the bottom. You know, why? Once you have it, guys, wow, it's just so easy. You should not care. I just care that between $15,000 and $25,000 in this range, we will be in next 2-3 months. This is what I see, okay? Second, you see, very interesting, right? Let me show you. Second, you know, when we have this dip, okay? You see, when we have this dip, you see this dip, okay, and this dip, usually the first week or first 2 weeks or first month, you see this one, okay, this one, the most strongest, okay. So I believe we'll be here somehow, and then we have the final dip, the most strongest. So watch it, guys, watch it. I think we didn't finish the capitulation yet. We only started. It may never happen. It may be $20,000 capitulation, but something is telling me with all this what's going on with with the market like I don't know, Dow is below 20,000 today, right? It still have a long way to go, and Bitcoin, I think we still will see some very nice numbers for smart apes capitulation. Okay. So, but I'm not buying Bitcoin these days. You need to understand, because I know how to play this game. I buying best alts. Best alts, this will be for sale, guys. Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Zcash, Dash, they will be for sale, guys, literally. This is what is my strategy, okay? So, first of all, okay, the final capitulation is on a table, and I think it's coming, literally, I think in June. In June, we'll see final capitulation. Then, what happened, you see, like it was here in 2019. We will have some plane here, some planes, okay? How long? Let's say December, March. December, yeah, January, February. Yeah, you see 3 months here. How long here? It was January, somewhere June. January, yeah, it also was like 4, 5, 6 months, 3, 4, 5 months usually. This is what is happening. Why? Because it's everyone up, in shock. It's mostly new people. They don't know how the market play, and they will basically, they will be. I remember Bitcoin was $3,000. No one wanted to buy. I talked to my wife. I say, hey, Bitcoin $3,000. Shall we go to Bitcoin? I remember I had like 20,000 cash. Like let's buy 7 Bitcoin. And she say, we have these car payments, let's better pay for car payments, okay? So I didn't buy this stuff. I think most of people, 99%, no one buy when it's really low, because everyone think, oh, it will go lower. I also was thinking, Bitcoin go to $1,000. So when you see 3,000 and you think it go to $1,000, you think, why I need to buy today, This is how people think. It's very normal, guys, trust me, it's very normal, okay? So I didn't buy, but I was buying, I had some Bitcoin, and I was buying, this deep Litecoin and Zcash and Dash. So you see, I am very happy with my portfolio. Even today, I didn't win, I didn't lose on these levels, okay? But as I say, I saw 5x in my portfolio, I saw 5x down in my portfolio, okay? So, I know how to do these fishing games, okay? Fishing games. So now I'm happy. Now I'm building my portfolio, and one of the reasons, by the way, why I didn't sell on this level is IRS. Okay, I don't want to mess up with IRS. I suggest, guys, you also don't mess up. Even I can sell some. I was thinking, let's start selling on this level. When I have 5x to 1 to my portfolio. First is the greed. Right? Everyone knows this. Like, oh, it may go to 10x. But even not a greed. I was, literally I was thinking to sell someone. But you see, you sell 10-20% of this, and then you need to mess up with this. For some, profit, you need to mess up with IRS, and you need to report your profit. When you buy Bitcoin or you buy crypto, you don't need to provide to IRS anything. Okay, this is not a taxable event. You need to understand. When you buy, not a taxable event. When you sell or trade, is taxable event. Okay, so I try to avoid it, guys. Okay, it's me. You may be different. Just explain you. I am willing to wait another 1-2 years. Okay, to get what I want. Okay, to get what I want, and go for retirement maybe. I'm willing to sacrifice, okay? I don't want to play these small games. I'm here for a big game, okay? And I think we are coming to big game in next 2-3 years after halving, and it will be maybe not 1 million, but literally from 100 to 300,000 Bitcoin. So that's will be very nice, guys. Okay, to see. So you get what I say. Okay, now let's go into charts, okay? Let's go. I think we basically explore all this stuff. Usually Bitcoin is going 3.5 years. You see, 1 to 3.5 years. So we basically, you see, after 1 year almost, we did this bull. We have some people say it will be another bull because we have time. You see, like it was here. You see, like what here. You see, 1, 2, and then 3. Maybe it was 1, 2, and then 3 because it was after 1.5 years. You see, here we have less than 1 year. 1.5 years. Yeah, we have 1.5 years, but not at the top, but on the bottom. You see, here we have top 1.5 years. Here we have bottom 1.5 years. So no one knows, but for me it doesn't really matter, you know. Is it 1 year or 2-3 years, you know? What I willing to spend, you know, willing to lose, kind of. Okay, so it's not life changing, you know, if Bitcoin go to zero for me, and I suggest you do the same. So let's go into charts and look for charts. Okay. Bitcoin tools, 2 year multiply. Let's go one by one and see where we are. Okay, so you see this is overbought zone. This is the oversold zone. So you see, guys, that we are oversold zone. Okay, just indicators for me where I'm not buying when everyone is buying. I'm buying when everyone is selling. You understand? You see how many times in history we were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th time we are coming to this overbought, oversold. Yeah, this is the oversold zone. Yeah, and you need to sell when you in overbought zone. Here, you see, this is overbought. Okay, this is when everyone want to buy. Okay, so probably we reach this overbought zone, you know, because we have so much money. We didn't even cross it. Okay, this is why I'm kind of, you know, I'm not sure. I think we still have this one final bull run, you know, this year, but no one knows. Literally no one knows. And with all this, what Fed is doing, 75 points, you know, raise rates, we may not see, you know, the bull market this year. Okay, but this is where I am buying. Okay, this is my strategy. I buy on red when we are in sold zone and no one wanted to buy. Okay, next. 200 moving averages, right? For 200 moving averages. So what is telling me? Also, you know, it always buy when it's close to 200 moving averages. Why? Because it bounces from this moving averages, right? So you see we are somewhere here. You see somewhere here around 20,000. Doesn't show. Yeah, you see. Yeah, around. Yeah, see, we have 22,000. Last day was 15 of June. Today is 16. You see, yesterday we have spark. You see, we are on the lowest levels, right? So it's a good levels, guys, especially, you know, when it breaks this, you see, it's always touch. You see 200 moving average. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, right? And now we are in the same levels, okay? But good buying zone or selling? Of course, buying, okay? You see, it's good buying zone. If you only, in the history of Bitcoin from 2010, 5 times in the history of Bitcoin we were here, okay? So once someone think, oh, Bitcoin $20,000, yeah, but it's $20,000 2022. It's not $20,000 2016, right? This is the difference because of supply and demand, guys, okay? Supply very low, 2 million left, and demand is very high, you know. Michael Saylor, you know, may buy all Bitcoin which is mined today. Okay, stock to flow model. Everyone knows, right? Stock to flow. It means how much Bitcoin mined and what is the flow, you know, where we are with Bitcoin. And again, based on stock to flow model, we supposed to be around 100K. But we are not, guys, okay? So based on stock to flow model, again, 1 here when it was a bear market, 2, 3, and here stock to flow model again. We are downtrend. We are well below stock to flow model. The stock to flow model supposed to be here. You see this plate, you know, near 100K, and we reached this plate a couple of times. You see, like 77. We reached it, and now we fell. You know, good time to buy. And also, you see here this matrix. You see, as low as matrix, as better time to buy. Okay. Okay. Next. What is going on? 1 second. Okay, stock to flow model. Fear and greed index. Okay, so what do we have today? Fear and greed index. Extreme fear, 7 from 100, guys. 7 from 100. Do you see this? Everyone's scared to death, you know, to buy. You see where we are. You see where we are. Fear index. Okay, so just look into these indicators. It will tell you a lot. Okay, fear and greed index. What is this? PI cycle top indicator. This is telling us, you know, it's moving averages. Are we on the top or are we on the bottom? And then again, you see, if you look into all these indicators, you see these two moving averages. It's MA 111, MA 350, and we are below all these indicators. You know, it's how many times we were? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we have somewhere. You know, we have. Not a lot, but we have probably 5, 10 times. But it was always, you see here, we below and we went up. You see, below went up. You see, below this point. You see, below went up. Every time when below we went up. Every time when below we went up. Okay, will it repeat? I think you need to wait some time. Okay, not right away, guys. It will take, as I say, from 1 to 3 months. Golden ratio. Okay, so it has a lot of moving averages here in this Bitcoin rainbow price. So every rainbow it's also moving average. But you know, just showing us where we are. And you see again and again why I love all these indicators. You see how many times we are reaching this, the bottom of this rainbow. One time, maybe here, 2 times, you know, couple of times here, 3 times, 4 times here, and we are reaching now. Okay, not yet, guys. That's why I say we may have some more, capitulation. Okay, so it will be one more time, 5 times in history. Okay, we are reaching. It's good time to buy, and here when it's red, it's over bought territory. So this is a good time to sell. And we were on this level. You see, guys, we didn't reach this, you know, hype territory, you know, because this is a hype territory, right? In the history of Bitcoin, 3-4 times, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4 times we were in this territory. Not now. Maybe because we will never come here, because, you know, the money, big money today, right? All institution and all this. Okay, what is this indicator? I don't know. What is this indicator? Daily coins and moving average 365. Yeah, it's also telling us. You see the price of Bitcoin where we are here, and here when we have this moving average ratio. You see, also, you know, this is zone. You see, this is zone where, you know, everyone want to sell, right? And this is the buying zone. You see, buying zone, buying zone, buying zone. You see, because usually when it fell to this zone, we're not yet, but usually even here, you see, it was going uptrend. You know, if we go to here, we have still some time to go, then it's going up. Okay, some more indicators. Then on chain charts. Okay, so what is it? Terminate that balance that, all this kind of bullshit charts. I don't know, like, shall we go through all the charts? Now let's see why it takes so much time. Bitcoin price prediction. This updates daily. Okay, you also see, you know, between all this, you know, all this delta top cap, you know, all this prediction, we are on lowest level. Okay, so this is Z-score. This is, I think, interesting. Yeah, the Z-score. Yeah, okay, this is realized Bitcoin price. You see, realized Bitcoin price. So usually when the realized Bitcoin price is coming between 7 and 10, you see here, you see, this is the time to sell. When realized Bitcoin price means it's between, you know, short-term and long-term holders. You know, realized Bitcoin price is here. You see, 1, 2, how many times we were here? You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, this is 5th time we are coming here. Okay, so this is, you know, historically it's good time to buy. Okay. So here is to sell, here it's to buy. Okay, so we are in buy territory now. You see, this is why I like all these indicators. You know, hodl ratio. Yeah, this is more for holders. You see, this is 1 week holders divided on 1-2 years holders. You see, you multiply on total market age. So we see young holders and young chickens and old chickens, right? Old chickens like me, you know. So you see, when ratio is coming to this territory, it's time to sell. Why? Because the old holders are selling. Okay, where ratio is coming to this territory, telling you that you see the old ratio. These guys 1-2 years, they are not selling. Mostly it's a new. People are selling, panic sell. Okay, so panic sell. We are coming close to this territory. Okay, and you see there is kind of uptrend here. Okay, so no one knows. Maybe it will average. As I say, it's all on indicators. No one indicator will tell you clearly when to buy, when to sell. Or reverse risk. You see also Bitcoin price on hodl bank. How many people hodl? You see, it's also here. You see. You know, the most people are holding now, you see, not selling. Here's people selling, here people selling. You see the red zone where, you know, a lot of people selling. Here we didn't have this, you see. I'm telling you, I, for example, a long term, I didn't sell on this level because it's not a level comfortable to sell. 100K, I think a lot of people will be selling, but not on 60, 70K, okay? So I think this is the best, yeah, this is the best, yeah, realized price also. This is the best indicator. Yeah, maybe, you know, Bitcoin wallets, just see Bitcoin wallets. You see size more than 1 BTC. You see, this is how many people hold more than 1 BTC. You see, the small wallets are going up. Bitcoin price going down, but people, you know, buy in small portion less than 1 BTC, and it's only going up. It's only telling me like a Google trend, right? You know, how many people involved into Bitcoin. You see, so more and more people are buying. So. Okay guys, so with all this, what I try to say, I am very positive, okay, and I'm telling you, I'm waiting for my levels, okay, I'm not crazy to buy, I'm not crazy to sell. If it never reaches this level, I'm happy what I have today. You need to understand. Your greed, fear is not your friends, guys, in this market. You know, take them away, okay. It failing into this, okay, you have some cash, go and buy. What I am thinking now, the Bitcoin, today is much better chances, much better bet to buy Bitcoin and best crypto than gold and crypto, you know. The gold, silver and gold, because silver and gold is very manipulated. They can hold it forever, you know, another 1-2 year easy. But Bitcoin, because of mathematics, you know, of this halving supply and best crypto also, like Litecoin, Zcash, they have halving, you know, Bitcoin Cash, all halving, okay. So you cannot hold them at these prices. You need to understand, if halving happen and you produce twice less Bitcoin than it was yesterday, you cannot hold the price. The price will skyrocket, and that's why what I'm holding. That's why I'm basically very bullish on Bitcoin and best crypto. Okay guys, it's already 26 minutes. Please like, subscribe, share, because you don't see many videos like this. Okay, this video from Smart Ape, okay, with a ton of experience, okay, I'm sharing with you, and literally you cannot lose with this strategy, okay. I am sharing your strategy, not to copy it, okay. Don't blame me, not your financial advisor, but I'm sharing the strategy for the best people around here, okay, who understand what is going on, who understand how this market play, and who is willing to wait, to sacrifice, to see dips. But in the end of the day, you guys are the smartest people in the world, trust me. I know what I say. You guys, the smartest people in the world, who listen to this strategy and who is doing, okay? Not exactly, but very similar, maybe different coin, maybe a little bit different strategy, but global picture is the same, guys. Global picture is the same. Bitcoin and best crypto, silverGameOfThrone, and smart people are buying in this zone, guys. These zones we buy, okay? And we hold it not only because it's safe, it increase, but it's also because of technology, guys. This is your bank. I am holding this because of all these benefits. Okay, it's the best of the best money in the world. It's also bank in my hands, you know, literally my son in Canada, and I'm sending to him, you know, very often some money. I'm using crypto, guys. I don't care about all this bullshit, go to bank and, you know, wait 1 week here, 1 week there and pay all these crazy fees. I'm using crypto, guys. I am using crypto daily, and I know this is the best technology, but not crypto, just, you know, any crypto, proof of work, okay, and you know, best what we have. Okay, like, subscribe, hit notification, love you all, and keep it this way, guys, okay. Don't listen to bullshit Solana, Terra, and all other garbages, okay. You want to sleep well, you buy proof of work. You want to be in panic, then go buy Luna and other crap. It's up to you guys. You decide. You are your own bank, your own judgment. So keep it this way. Bye bye, guys. All the best.